Welcome kids, YuviSharma channel. Hello kids. Today we are going to play a fun math quiz called Guess the Right Answer. Look carefully, think fast and choose the correct answer. Are you ready? Let's start. Here's the first question, 4 plus 3 minus 5. Let's check the options, 1, 3, 2, maybe 4.
Answer is 2.
Let's solve it step by step. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Great job. Here's the second question, 2 plus 4 minus 1. Let's check the options. Is it 5? Or 6? Or maybe 7? Or is it 8?
Answer is 5.
Let's solve it step by step. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 6 minus 1 equals 5. Here's the next question, 5 plus 2 minus 4. Let's check the options, 2, 4, 1, maybe 3.
Answer is 3.
Let's solve it step by step. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Here's the next question, 2 plus 2 minus 2. Let's check the options, 0, 2, 1, maybe 3.
Answer is 2.
Let's solve it step by step. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Here's the next question, 3 plus 2 minus 0. Let's check the options, is it 3, or 4, or maybe 5, or is it 6?
Answer is 5.
Let's solve it step by step. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 minus 0 equals 5. Great job kids. Did you enjoy this fun math quiz? Keep practicing every day and you will become a math champion. See you in the next fun learning video. Thank you kids. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more learning videos.
Goodbye.